All right, back to the series of stocking the swamp. So we got 3 brim. One's a long-eared sunfish. The other, I don't really know. The other 2, but I mean, beautiful long-eared sunfish. Beautiful specimen right there. Beautiful. But yeah, we're just gonna put him on in here, and he'll do great. Ow! Then we got this one. I'm gonna show y'all this one, cause just to see if one of y'all know. That way I can say it next time. Just yeah. Let me know what that is. All right. See y'all next time. Make sure to like and subscribe.